Hey everyone, if you're trying to figure out which folders are taking up the most space on your computer, TreeSize Free makes the job incredibly easy. In this full guide, I'll show you how to compare folder sizes, interpret the results, and quickly identify the biggest storage users. So let's get started. First, launch TreeSize Free from the Windows Start menu or your desktop. If you're scanning your main system drive, it's a good idea to run the program as administrator. This allows TreeSize Free to include protected folders in the scan, giving you a more complete overview. Once the application opens, click Select Directory and choose the drive or folder you want to analyze. Most users begin with the C drive, but you can scan any folder or storage device. TreeSize Free automatically starts scanning as soon as you make your selection. After the scan finishes, TreeSize Free displays every folder along with its size. Click the size column if needed to sort the results from largest to smallest. Yeah, this gives you an instant comparison of which folders are using the most storage. To compare folders inside another folder, click the small arrow next to it to expand the directory. You'll immediately see how much space each subfolder uses. This makes it easy to identify the biggest folder without opening every location in File Explorer. If you prefer a visual comparison, switch to the tree map view. Larger rectangles represent larger folders and files, making it easy to compare storage usage at a glance. Hovering over an item also displays additional information about that folder. Once you've identified the largest folders, review their contents before deleting or moving anything. Focus on personal files, downloads, videos, or old backups that you no longer need. Avoid modifying Windows system folders unless you're absolutely certain they're safe to change. And that's how to compare folder sizes with TreeSize Free. With just a few clicks, you can see exactly where your storage is being used and make smarter decisions about organizing your files. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.